I love exploding fucking creatures.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
How did that hurt me so much?
What did?
I think you're down the other tree.
Uh, no, I'm just really, really, really far down.
You're not un. You're not under the next tree.
No, I'm like the point you're at. You basically just got to break a little bit of wall. I'm just at the tree. I went through the tree before it, but it's like, you know, like the one that's right next to it. I mean, like not even like a decent gap.
Where did you go down from?
Just I don't have a very good memory. I don't know.
Why is there a harpy statue in here? Oh, that's an ant. I don't know how to get to you.
That's fine. Don't even worry about it. Oh,
Oh wait.
we finally got a better thing to mine with.
Hey.
Yeah, the Drax.
The Drax? What the hell is that?
It's a drill mixed with an
Isn't
axe.
that like the drill thing?
Yeah, you picked one up. Look at this. So much faster than our old bullshit.
Pretty pink dress. Do you want a pretty pink dress?
No, I got a cool fucking shirt. Okay, this is a very, very trapped.
Where? Hold on. Where was the? Where was the Drax?
It was on the ground.
I didn't pick one up. Is that bundles of dynamite?
Yeah, I disarmed them though, so it's fine.
Oh my god. Mother of all broadswords. Look, I got a mechanical minecart.
Oh, hell yeah.
Whee! I don't think there's really anything down here.
Kill some shit.
Oh no, where did my solar flare go?
What do you mean, where did it go?
Uh-oh. I think I dropped it, but I got it back.
Okay.
E. How do I get... Where did you go? How did you...
Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I gotta stop going into lava.
That's probably a good plan.
How did you get over there?
We have so much movement ability.
Yeah, but like... Did you like drill through?
I probably just went
'Cause I
through
don't see the hole.
I probably just went through a door.
What door?
I don't know, let me take a look here.
I don't see a door.
Okay, so I clearly left through here. and I went in from all the way up there, like right where the tip of my thing is reaching. That's where I went in.
Oh, from this fucking
Yeah, it's a
this
big
room?
building. It's a big building.
It's a big ass building. He keeps messaging us on Discord.
I don't think it's us. I think it's just you, because I'm not hearing anything.
I think it might just be me. What am I getting notifications from?
The big
Oh my
butthole
god, they're doing the thumbnail mode, the thumbnail one thing.
dude. They're doing the
The
thumbnail one
generator.
thing. Oh, okay.
Uh,
That makes sense.
that's why.
You like turn notifications on for that chat or something?
Yeah, because it doesn't get a lot of notifications.
And because it's fun.
Yeah. It seems bum and boring now. We're just not getting anything done.
Soft
Earclops
eyeball.
eyeball.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna
What?
make some houses. And then we can get a bunch of NPCs and they'll be able to sell us cool shit. So I do gotta go kinda up because they don't like to live in hell. I wonder why. What's this stuff? Seeds.
There's nothing really done here. Ooh, there's a heart crystal there. Like that. Unless it drops something weird.
It dropped something else, but try it anyway.
It drops a D.
The D! Okay, wait, this is a gem cave. There's a bunch of types of gems in here.
At least the other one dropped the crystals.
The North Pole. Oh yeah, I forgot. Sapphire.
A North Pole?
Yeah. Sapphire eats burgers, and it's funny. And yummy. We're crossing streams over here.
Whoa, gold pickaxe.
Whoa, a chest with nothing I care about in it. Yo.
Gold pickaxe is better than copper.
Yeah, I mean everything's better than that.
Amethyst?
Harry the
Where?
amethyst.
Golf cart keys? What?
Is that what it replaces?
Yeah.
That's funny. Oh my
Oh,
God, I
there's
haven't even
another heart
checked my
crystal. Do you
fucking-
think it's another D?
Yeah, it is always gonna be. I didn't even check my, like, stuff I could make.
Music wallpaper. Adamantite sword?
Interesting.
It's a cool looking sword
Did
though.
you pick up any, like, the tables or chairs from the thing? From the sky places?
Huh?
Did you pick up any, like, tables or chairs from the sky places? Or do you just have tables or chairs on
I don't think so. My headphones are starting to hurt my ears.
want to cheat by taking a break?
Sure.